Cooking with Joy, where cooking is simple. Do you know that fruit dates are high in fiber and antioxidants and may support the brain health and prevent disease? Dates come from the date plum tree, and we want to share this delicious and simple recipe. You will need 120 G dates, around 6 pieces, 3 tablespoons of milk of choice, 60 grams almonds butter, 60 grams of cocoa powder, 80 grams of chocolate chips, 3 tablespoons of milk of choice. With your covered pitted dates, no seed, with boiling water, let it sit for 30 minutes at least. Drain water and add them to the blender until smooth. If you don't have a blender, let the dates soak for 10 minutes. Time and use a fork. This is your dates mixed already blend. Empty to a bowl, add cocoa powder and almond butter and combine. Divide in pieces of 6 into a muffin tray. Silicone tray works effect, or use paper linders on the bottom. Press the mixture with a cup to make it semi-flat. Pour the milk with the chocolate chips, then the bowl with the chocolate chips set into the boiling hot bowl of water. Add a spoon of chocolate inside the impression of your mixture and refrigerate until firm. And serve. We hope you enjoy this recipe. Please click the like button and subscribe, and click the bell icon for notification. Thank you, and see you next time on Cooking with Joy.